Namakweli yowechania ayakoleka asensemo ya Birongo echiro egutoka imeye bunge nyalibali chache ime county ya Kisii watekana amonoko ya wechirumu chinyomba Emonyo kogokia iyo imanyikanite buna egesa asomusa oyomo anyara kuyereme weka gutwekamo
yeta ni gongoro kwa dani kanyomurwa chinsemo cha muturumesia igo yarenge botuko chinsa sana neiga karato igwe bikoro twabokerinde twa chakorang kegenderete twanyora enyomba epa ya dani korukwegesa chanyara kobage koya oigo abali ngememba nyara ko bagutama lakini oyomo yatugekana nga talinge ngurubo igo chibiye igo chigutama ndo nyara kobaga kuyere
chinkumani go chigotabuna nigo enyombe iga yataka kuyiye ange chinsa isano na isatu chiamambia amenya baigani go bayakira buya serikali ya county ya Kisii asukena bwango na kwanekibuna wetira asirombe yaye yabantu bokolimia omuliro banyare bawekena na kubeka omukya bwo kwanekibuna omuliro iga onyalire gokolima limulyo kwa
ase korwa ensema ya busongo yanyara ko gotokonya gari ya rescue fire yanyara ko gokolimia oigo etogwakiranga county ya Kisii njanyara ko bagokoli gasingia naende bagenderere igo naende kero banyorire information mune yega banyara ko bakominyoka goche ndi banyara ko bagotokonya na banyara ko bagotokonya no nyentu nyari ko batokonya yo mo boito unyara ko bagakora asante.
We immediately responded because it was people carrying no mheshimiwa Simbarati governor ito na reyo ko stand by all the time otuko na mugaso anytime to work within to correspond to bantu wetu kwa pole se oyosira na reta ito correspond na gato kan bantu wa DCI baiche tumanya kumurushoro tumando batu the police then ya and timuke bali ba umia to ko basabero ko bena to ma sinjambaro ba umia babare we pray for them and saba konyo ba ko bena community ito to te pole karmo to akere gasieto na reye toro to konya bantu wetu otherwise pole sons anna kere chimyonse na ne community around pero to yitaiga na bato konyire to kolire gasie na bomo buamo obomo so rende ito chigo kore gasie no sabera bantu ito kwera 9 back to station asa to konya tunya kore abantu wetu bia nega bana yite to kumbanga se kyal na to ite support na to kore abantu wetu bia otherwise mheshimiwa na njana kirembia wikira rodi abantu wa mna were affected chipara chalenge gasie kongu na kia to irereka umuriro twacha kwenye content na kwanza kuligeranya ikende nkeroro na paka twacha kwenye buso oyo minto yo yete to konyara kumanya umuriro otherwise mbiamo na nditi nya savasini abare santeni
omwe musiebwe gwodie ganigo ayakira buya serikali ya county ya Kisii asege koleke ganye korali tukolia lero asoko ne kibuna yanyare ko ngoya obokoli bwaye na ko ne kibuna omoroiga onyara koera
kwa omweshimiwa shem ya mwaya Birongo ward eto reno gokumyo konene ase osiri ko yo minto yo moto kiro osiri ase molro yo toketo botuko ga Birongo market twarangire tuna gertishimbo tukonga turu lakini tuwagwatirane firefighters imbaikaga mapema wamejaribu kushughulika sana ngo batemire kwa kole miremia ngo bakirambia mono chini ya uongozi wa His Excellency Governor Simbarati ndo chene mirimo mbuya korekana ngenteka mona arorire n'abantu bonse barorire ngakichinchera nkiri buya ibega Birongo market igo ikatuje tuyikaranze tokwana chinchira chigo abantu bari bagaje chinchira bamanyana enchira negento kiamana onyenchira ya maigandi yari ngororo yebwaneze koboro kango muriro mbwango ryo wika kolimigo igo igente kina harori nantu tuge kwanire egere torenga to konya toreta magendera marungu chipara na magendero igo nkoira ngakina ndiko tebyo wako yosire runo mwana oya omorisi antomanyine nere pole sana se family go siro mwana oyo yotoko basabera omane abena ino astinga ke chichoba ko ngande na botoko ba mana to sira na stoko nya oikemero bire ya ire bono ngegento kendete serikali negende gushurika na koranga ke gosokyo mubiro yo oruwe igarende ogenda sugwena to kogenda no monto oyo moyete nande igayete beyond recognition to konyara kumanya nari gerani enara igento ke okumisana lakini nda abantu baminto ngo basaba mukwe mangana mwanje to tuyikaranse to bwaterane tokore bintu Birongo bibwana to kokonye kiro ito ya Birongo mbuya mono tigomana basi
omo OCBD wa nyimbo amosambasa nigo ayenekia kolekeiga na gotorera buna nigo omonyene chinyombe chiga chokogokia abekire byara ekerekeiga obutuki kubwatekana amunengane yiga bogenderete.
It was today around 7:30 in the morning when the area chief of Birongo location informed the OCS Keumbu that there was fire outbreak within Birongo market at a bar known as Egesa. Officers working on the information which was given by the area chief responded very fast, and by informing the fire rescue team from Kisii as our county headquarters, the fire brigade or the fire fighting personnel responded, and upon arrival they ensured that they contained the situation. After the fire was put off and upon search, we found that there was one person whose name is held with us until he is identified by relatives. He's a male adult, middle-aged, who succumbed due to the fire magnitude. So far, the property which was destroyed can cost up to around or about 500,000. That is preliminary accountability by the bar owner. As at now, we are holding the bar owner with us to give us more about what happened. But we have gotten some information from him that he left his workers at the bar around 10:30 last evening. He went to his home, and then this morning when he received information from those who were with the deceased that there was fire, that was when he came and found that it was true there was fire. Otherwise, that's what we have as at now.
Nasi chiro ya Birongo egotoka ime wodi ya Birongo ime county ya Kisii asanene emambia lero abantu banyarba kumuka na wichana kurwa as chingongo ao iligoche kwa enekelia yibabere bakoigwa ko yorende tibanyakorora nigo anene ekerotonya twikirana asense meiga nigo abantu kurwa as chimbebe ao banyarba wikirana iligochigo itonerana kwa enekelia ekore yanyate okorekana abuna baringote ba obutuko bwa lero asanene epaemo yimeka ntebuna Egesa yante kubwatwa omuliro nanene wosamba omuntu yomo kolende kubwatekana amuna menyibo orogongore iganigo banyaba otonekelibuna nigo egati yabantu abayige balenge ase enyombe yokogokia nigo egati abo banyate baguchibichuko kolende oyigo yomunya tega gosambwa nigo anne atalenge nguru yachukunya gutama igento anne kyamwirete omuliro yiga kumwikira eko ripoti ya Egeta seni ya INKA TV korega ase chiro ya Birongo igotoka ime ward ya Birongo county ya Kisii. Edena Lucas Mogaka.